Hey guys, welcome to One Star Racing. This is the first video of hopefully many. Been inspired by a couple guys from YouTube to start my own YouTube channel. A little bit about myself. I'm Wyatt Baker from Michigan, Northern Michigan. UMP driver. This will be my 6th year in a UMP modified. This year we've bought a new car. Bought a new motor that guy built for us. My cousin and I just went and picked up the car. It just got lettered, and yeah, show you guys what it looks like. And hopefully this afternoon my dad will be here and we will be putting a couple things on the car to wrap it up, and we got test and tune in 6 days. So yeah, I'll show you the car. So here it is, guys. Just picked up the car, unloaded it here at the shop. Crazy Cat Signs lettered it up. Did an awesome job this year. The 2018 Extreme chassis. Brand new tin, and got some new sponsors this year. Check those guys out.